Before you make a swap request, it is a good idea to know the fixture ID of the fixture you would like to swap with, and also have the swap pre-agreed, so that each racecourse knows who is initiating the swap and who is approving it. Go to All Fixtures from the main menu to locate the fixture you would like to swap with, and make a note of the fixture ID shown on screen. Next, go to My Fixtures to find your fixture that you would like to swap, and click the pencil icon. This will produce a slide-out panel to the right of your screen. Click the Swap option on the panel to open the swap request form. Enter the fixture ID to search for the fixture that you wish to swap with, and select the fixture from the options presented. You must enter a note about your swap request, which will be visible to both the approving racecourse and the BHA once submitted. You will also need to confirm whether this is a permanent or one-year move. You will only be able to make one change request per fixture per round, so you can save your request as a draft to come back to once you are ready to submit. Once submitted, your swap request will be sent to the second racecourse to approve, and then on to the BHA for final approval. The status of your fixture will be updated to pending, and you can track the progress of your request on your My Requests page and on your dashboard. Please note, if you are making a swap between two racecourses that you have permissions for, you will still need to approve the requests yourself.